Here's my solar panel bolts, not boats, they're bolts. Anyway, I'm sealing them now so they don't leak, because, you know, obviously they'll let a bit of water in. I think if I do that and then screw the plate on, hopefully it'll smush some of this into the outside. Didn't take long to fill up those chairs. Ooh, it's raining. Let's see if my gutter's working. Ho 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 ho! Look at that! Yeah, it's doing really good. The water tank? Yeah. Yeah. Ah, look at that. That's so nice. This is giving me ideas for more concrete rain things. I need a cover for this here water tank. Out of what shall I make it? I think I should just make it out of concrete, probably. Drop it. Yeah, good enough. Oh, just. Hopefully, in a couple of days, that'll be all solid and I can take it off. That was about 3/4 of a bucket of concrete. No reinforcement or anything. These stones here don't have any reinforcements. They haven't been cracking, so I think it'll be alright. Alright, what are the chances I cut that right? Oh, come on, come on. Oh, beautiful! Okay, look, you got shelves.
Woohoo, shelves!
Well, you have one shelf. That just came out of the truck. I only had 2 boards left, and I managed to make 4 shelves.
Does that make sense?
The heck, there's already stuff on these! Apparently I'm not building fast enough. Alright, those should be pretty good. Above everyone's head level except mine, I can walk into them. Well, don't have many supplies left. A few small boards, all my big ones are gone. What else can I make? Let's see how that's doing. good? Oh. I think things are under control in the house. And now I want to do some more bulldozing. Maybe fill in this area over here. There's lots of high dirt here and here. There's another, this whole side of the island is low. So I want to shove all that over there. And then over here, it's mostly, see where those banana trees are growing, that's about the right level. This is just this high part here, and I'll shove a little bit this way, and a lot of it on the other side of that. So I'll have to, bit of target practice first.
Okay, put those in the bag. And we'll keep this, and we'll put it back around it so that... Yes, clear them. I'm trying to keep cleaning it over again, and just no one is listening to me.
See if I can get one of my target leaves in here. Oh, there's one. Speaking of killing things, the ants are a little bit out of control on the island. I mean, not terrible, but they're definitely out of control. So I figured I should get them under control. And I did this in the house a couple days ago, and it just wiped out all the ants. And what I did was mix 50% borax, like boric acid, with 50% honey, and I just smeared it around where the ants were. And I knew they liked honey because they were going after any honey that was around. Now the ants on the island, oh, and they were all over it for like a day, and then there was not a sign of an ant for like the last 3 days or something. Anyway, the ants on the island seemed to like not sweet stuff, so I mixed some boric acid with peanut butter. Again, 50-50. Let's see. I found a spot where ants do go. Oh yeah, they're going to town on that death poison. Oh, maybe I should finish filling in this area beside the house. Yeah, I should do that first. The dirt basically has to come up to that wall-ish. And I need to not hit my pipe. That's about all I can do there until I move this dome. Hey, check it out! Now we can run all the way from one end of the island to the other! Snorting. I think this is strong enough to take it off. Strong enough to risk it anyway. So the water's not high enough for the sink yet. I think it has to get up to maybe that first line, maybe I don't know, somewhere around there. But the hose will definitely work right now. All right, I want to cover this up before I drop anything in here. That came out pretty nice. Excellent. All right. Gently, don't crack it. Perfect fit. I'll let my cover stay in shade for a little bit longer. But in a couple days I can get rid of this big ugly tarp. I gotta say, it's a pretty awesome sight. Seeing my kids playing in a house I built on an island. Oh man, this is great. I also want to mention that to this day I get constant comments online and in real life about how I'm just this arrogant, self-righteous dude for wanting to do everything my own way and not listening to what other people say. It's just all this nonsense designed to pressure me into conforming. I call those people the conformity police. And I want to just mention this, like all this stuff I'm doing here, it was way outside the box. And it's turning out amazing. There's plenty of hurdles in the way, and, you know, things don't always go right, but, you know, I followed my instincts and got to where I wanted to be. Now, at this point in my life, I'm way outside the influence of the conformity police. Like, I've done too many things, and they've worked out well too many times for the conformity police to affect me. But when I first started, you know, I felt a lot of that pressure. And I know a lot of people out there, you know, you guys, maybe you're starting something or you want to try something new and you're getting feedback from family or friends or whatever, and they say, no, you have to do it like everyone else. You don't do your own thing. That's not going to work. You're going to die. It's crazy. You're going to be broke, blah, blah, blah. Well, when that happens, know that you can, you know, it's useful to listen to once or twice just to get the information. But you don't have to keep listening to it after you got it. You don't have to listen to people harping on at you. So trust your own instincts. Make your own decision in the end. And if you can't quite do that, just think to yourself, oh, what would Jaimie do? And go with that.